Third total.
Away we go. Immediate swing, edge, the two slips. Say it's yours, it's yours. Neither goes for her. Beautifully driven by Travis Head. He took a step and belted it to the rope. Blasted again, not timed, but it's into the gap. It's a powerful start from Australia. Warner advances and flies down the leg side. Edge taken. Shammy gets the big wicket. He's had a wonderful tournament. The stadium is on its... Oh, that is big from Mitchell Marsh. Silences the crowd with the first six.
There'll be a lot more
Got him. Smith goes. Bumrah did something different. He's tearing the hole in this rat.
Nice touch. Steered it beautifully into the gap. That's where he loves it. Shot of authority, so back-to-back bounce.
No run.
The back foot.
Lovely shot all the way.
And the back.
Oh, he was waiting for that. He was waiting for that. He gave himself a bit of room. He sat back.
Be a contender for today as well.
Edge, no slipping. And Labuschagne and Australia will take four. Up and over. What a shot that is. To one of the bowlers of the tournament. Good, solid block from Labuschagne.
7 for 3. That's turned. And such is the passage of play at the moment that it takes an edge and was not a problem. Beautiful shot. He's just gone a little fuller. Mohammad Shami. This one goes straight through. Finds open space on the onside. One bounce for 4. I'm not sure. Don't think there was timing on that, but that is going to beat the fielders for 4. Shot. Beats the fielder for 4, and that was an over that was sting. If you're 16, 17 years old, anywhere in the world, watch.
Head lofts him away, times it nicely. Again, silence around the stage. Just gets enough again. There was a shout of catch it. Hands on the heads of...
Watch it.
Pressure on. Final over for Jadeja. Travis Head lifts it up now. 10 rows back, and it's just 50.
To add to that, how we've got to say Australia.
Head goes long and high over the leg side. It's under 40. A lot of discussion about the conditions
And he goes again. Long on as a spectator. And it's not the first time.